Hello everybody, this is Pash and from Spring 2020. This is homework 3, and in homework 3 we have 5 questions, and let's go and do the first one. The first one says given n, print 1, 4, 8, 12, 16 and 20. So after we see the pattern here is from 1 to 4 is 3, 4 to 8 is 4, 8 to 12 and 4, 4, 4. So only difference is going to be from 1 to 4, that's 3, and there is increment of 4 and after that. So the first thing first, we have to build a scanner here, and for that we have to use if and else statement here. So if n is greater than 0, because it has to be greater than 0, because if it's not greater than 0, it's going to be printing different numbers. So what I've done is CSO print 1 first, and inside that I create a for loop statement. So for int in I equals to 4, I will be less than or equal to n, I will be I plus 4, since there is an increment of 4 after that, and print I, and else print number has to be greater than 0. So whenever we go and run this code, let's see, it says give me an int, give me an int, let's say 10, it gave me 148. See that? 148. Let's give us another number, 20. It's 1, 4, 8, 12, 16 and 20. There you go. So that's question number 1. Let's go to question number 2. Question number 2 says given n, print backward to 0. Let's say if the user gives 5, it's supposed to print 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0 backward, like that. So what I've done is scanner here, the bridge, int I and user input.in, and create a for loop to do that. So if it was a normal like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, just like that, is a backward, the difference is going to be inside here. So for I in it I equals to n, I will be greater than equal to 0, and I will be I minus 1, or I can also use I minus minus, so it's just going minus 1 down backward. So CSO print I. It's another one. So let's go and run this code. It says give me an int, let's say 5. See that? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0 down here on console. Let's give 10. See that? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So that was question number 2. Let's go to question number 3. The question number 3 asks us to build a basic calculator plus minus multiplication and division. So in order to do that, the same thing, we got a scanner here. After that, system print out enter a number. The user gives the first number, then also user gives another number. Then after that, it asks the user to enter one of the following: add, sub, multiplication, and division. It's a string, so I can create a string bucket here. And there comes the main part. So the question also asks, you can use either if or else statement, or you can use a switch. So I've used the if and else statement, and at the bottom for each operations, for add, subtraction, and multiplication, division, I've used this return type, return here. So ignore case, add, for this operation, system out print add num1 num2. So this num1 num2 comes from down here. So whenever it does a plus b, it's add num1 num2, sub num1 num2, multiplication num1 num2, division num1 num2. So, and else system please enter one of the following. So if a user gives like some crazy stuff, then it says please enter one of the formats. So let's go and run this code. So enter a number down here on the console. Let's say 10. Enter another number. Let's give us 5. Then ask for string add sub multiplication division. Let's say we're gonna do division. Gives it 2. See that? Let's do another one. Do a number. Let's say 6. Another number 3. And we're going to sub. See that? 6 minus 3, 3. So that is basic calculator. Now we're gonna go to number 4. Question number 4 asks the user for a string and print if the string is a palindrome. The palindrome is just like mom, dad. Even if you read from the backwards, it gives you the same. So for that, same, we have built a scanner here, and after that, given the name, original 2-character array. So the reason for doing this is, let's say if it's mom, to separate that each and every letter, we have to do this character array. Then there is a formula to do that here. The string reverse, I've given the name reverse, and it's equals to, there's nothing inside this string, it's empty bucket. And after that, we create a for loop. So the loop's gonna be int I is equals to original array dot length -1. Since we're going backwards, it's gonna be -1. Let's say mom, so m will be, the index from m gonna be 0, o is gonna be 1, and m gonna be 2. So when you go backward, it will be like -1. The length I will be greater than equal to 0, and I will be minus since we're going backward. So there's another part of the formula, reverse equals to reverse plus original array, the same name we have given here, and here reverse plus reverse original array I. Then after that, we have used the if and else statement. So if original ignore case reverse, the system gonna print out it's a palindrome, else it's gonna print it's not a palindrome. So when you go and run this code, let's say we're gonna give them hello. The user gives you hello, so it's not a palindrome. Let's see, we're gonna give them mom, so it says a palindrome. There you go. So that is question number 4. So we're gonna jump to question number 5 now. Question number 5 says ask user for a number and print out odd if the number is odd, otherwise print even. So let's see, we did the same thing, build the scanners. So we will build the bridge first, then we have used if and else statement. So the if and else, if and the percentage sign here, the percentage sign is a mod. So if n mod 2 is equal to 0, go ahead and print number is even. So that means, let's say if the user gives number 10 and divide by 2, it gives 5. So remainder is going to be 0. So that's basically what it means. So if the remainder is 0, the number is going to even. If remainder is odd, the number is going to be, if the remainder is not 0, the number is going to be odd. So let's go and run this code. Let's set 10, the number is even. Let's try another number, say 7, the number is odd. See that down here? Yeah. So there's the homework 3. Thank you guys, you all have a great day. Thank you.